Page number 143. First question. What are the 7 stages of a person's life? Mention each stage's notable characteristics. What about others? 1, 2, 3. That's it? Okay. Start. And be loud, okay? So that they can also hear.
The first stage is of unveiling and puking infant. The second stage is of whining schoolboy. The third stage is of sighing like furnace lover. The fourth stage is of bubbling repetition of a soldier. The fifth stage is of wise, mature adult. The sixth stage is that when there is old age begins with body turning loose. Seventh stage is that when there is very old man with second childishness, without teeth, eyes, taste, in fact, without everything.
Okay. Yes, Akul.
A person's life is an act in which we have to place different roles or acts. These are different roles or acts. The first stage is a newborn child in which the child cry and puke and nurse calm. Second stage is of a schoolboy who don't want to go to school. Third stage is of a lover who misses his or her beloved. Fourth stage is of a soldier who is compared to a part and goes for a temporary repetition. Fifth stage is of a middle age when the person becomes wise and gives wise advice to everyone. Sixth stage is of old person who wear comfy clothes and start forgetting everything. Seventh stage is the second childhood when the person is weak, dependent, and after that it's our exit.
Yes, okay. So, okay.
The first stage is when he makes his entry as a child and is totally dependent. The second stage is when he has to go to school, learn things but not willing to attend the school. The third stage is of a lover when a lover is missing her mistress and writes a song about eyebrow shape and he has nothing to do. The fourth stage is when a boy is a soldier and full of strange oaths and is very angry as a leopard and jealous in honor. The fifth stage is the middle age when the man is wise and is ready to give examples and start gaining weight. The sixth stage is when they start forgetting about things and a change of voice start coming. And the last seventh stage is that when this stage is when the person starts his second childhood in the which man became weak and dependent as a child. After it, he made it.
Yes. So I hope the answer is correct. Dia, I have read your answer. It is also correct. First stage, infant. Okay. Second stage is school-going boy. Schoolboy, you have to write the characteristics also. Means you have to write the... Yes. Okay. Few points only. Then third is lover. Fourth is soldier, or you can say a fighter. And then fifth stage is of justice, judge, or middle age. You can, okay, write down middle age. And then is, okay, a kind of old age. And then third is second childhood. Okay. And then exit. No need to write about exit, but last stage, after the last stage, second childhood is the exit. Is it okay?
Yes.
What about you? Yes, Yashika, just wait. Okay, one more thing. Tomorrow is your test. Okay, voice. Voice, active and passive voice. Not, I am not going to test your voice. Okay, you thought boys? Come here. Come here. Next is, why does the schoolboy walk at a snail's pace? Is he not happy? Snail's speed. Snail's speed. Okay.
The schoolboy walks at a snail's pace because he's unwilling to go to school. That is the age of him to play and not study.
Okay, Taranya, your answer is also correct. Arish, your answer is correct. Taranya's answer, let me read her answer. Just wait. she has written, the schoolboy walks at a snail's pace because he is unwilling to go to school. He is not willing to take his responsibility as a student. He is not happy to go to school. Okay, yes, Bani.
The schoolboy with the satchel, the schoolboy was walking like a snail as he do not want to go to school and he was unhappy.
Yes, so Anjani and Dia, your answers are also correct. So it is that why he is walking at snail's pace, because he is not unwilling to go to school. Like he has said that he wants to play and he is not happy. Okay. Next is, what does the lover do? Again, same hands. What about others? You got chance. You got chance. Akul, you also got chance. Okay. Let's wait. Because only few students are raising hands, na?
The lover all the time thinks of it and misses her desperately, and he composes poems in her memory.
Yes. Okay, Dia has written, he is grown into his late teens and his main interest is girls. He is likely to make a bit of a fool of himself with them. He is sentimental, sighing and writing poems for girls. Okay. Making himself a bit. Dia, don't write this. Just make it very simple. Yes, he plays a role of lover by composing ballads for his beloved and he seeks, yes, her attention. Yes. So the third next is, what does the lover do? He sighs like a furnace and writes ballads. Yes, composes poems for his beloved mistress, beloved, one and the same thing. Is it okay? Poems, ballads. It is written in the book. Ballads for his mistress, for his mistress. Next is, what makes the soldier quick in quarrel? Again, same hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. What about others? Okay, this time we'll start from there. Okay. No, not fifth soldier, fourth stage. Okay. Wait, you will get. Yes, jealous in honor and seek bubble reputation.
The soldier is youthful, energetic, and very ambitious and egoistic. This makes him to quick in quarrel to save his bubble reputation.
Okay. Yes, Akul.
The soldier is very jealous of others who are growing more fastly than him. The bubble reputation and to gain sympathy makes the soldier quick in quarrel.
Yes, quick and curl. Okay. Yes, Rudransh. Okay. Yashika has written, the soldier's bubble reputation make him curl and his love for his country and energy makes him quick in the curl. Yes. Love for country also. Mention this. This is, you can also write short-tempered, warm-blooded, right? You can add these points also, as he is warm-blooded, like a leopard, and then always ready to take a fight, own a fight for temporary, for bubble reputation, not even afraid of dangers, or yes, and is ready to risk his life. Cannon's mouth means he is ready to risk his life. Okay, Taranya has written, as a soldier, he is very jealous in his honor. He is ready to fight with his enemy. He wants to gain the unstable fame and name even by sacrificing his life on the battlefield. Okay, correct, Aranya? What is this? The soldier is aggressive, he is jealous in honor and seek bubble reputation. Yes, main answer is that he seeks bubble reputation, and just for his that reputation, he is ready to take fight. Last question of this part. Again, same hands. Okay, one new hand is there. How does a man play his part as the justice?
A man plays his part as a justice in round belly and good capon line, with eyes served and beard of formal cut. He gives wise advices to everyone, and he also plays his part.
Okay. What about others? Yes, Pari.
This is the fifth stage when man's eyes are clear, and now he becomes wise and gives advices to people.
Yes. Wise sayings, examples. You have to write this also, that he gives examples. Ability, he has the ability to differentiate between good and bad.
The sixth stage of our life is of our at its middle age, when the person becomes wise and gives other. When the person becomes wise with serious eyes and former cut beard and gives the other wise advice.
Wise advice and examples, modern examples. His conversation is full of proverbs, wise sayings and proverbs. Okay, and then
This is the fifth stage of a wise, mature adult. When he is all experienced, he quotes instances from his life and guides everyone about what is right and what is wrong.
yes, yes, he guides. He starts guiding others about right and wrong. And Dia, your answer is also correct. I'll read her answer also. In the fifth stage of life, man plays the role of a justice or judge. He has grown fat from eating expensive meats. He uses his experience of life and the knowledge he has gained to offer what he thinks are wise sayings and advice and good decisions, like babies, very old men are dependent. Don't write about babies, okay? Just write till that he starts giving examples. That's it. In the fifth stage of life, man plays the role of a justice or judge. Yes, you have to explain this also. And in his part as a justice, the man enjoys fatty foods like chicken, which makes him obese. He keeps a beard of formal cut and has a strict and serious appearance. Yes, Anjani, correct answer. So I hope answers are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? Sure? Okay, then I'm going to ask you the answer. Ask you the question and you have to answer. Okay, I'll ask Arshpreet. Huh? No, from A1 only. Okay. Stage number second. Explain stage number second.
Stage number second is a schoolboy who does not want to go to school, and he is walking on a snail's walk, and he
Pace.
thinks that his age is to play, and he does not want to perform its and he does not want to perform its
Does not want to go to school. That is the kind of responsibility, his duty. Yes.
does not want to perform his responsibilities to go to school and
Okay, good. Prabal, your answer is also correct. Okay, next is exercise A2. All the world's a stage and all the men and women merely players. They have their exits and their entrances. What has the world been compared to and how? Two parts. What has the world been compared to? To
The word has been compared to the stage.
the stage. Okay. And then how?
All
Okay. Any other thing? How? World is a stage where we come and perform, right? And play our roles. Is it okay? Next is explain exits and entrances. This is very simple. Mm-hmm. Okay, entrance means when we come to this world, means when we are born, right? Then exit, opposite. Yes, when we leave this world means when we die. Anyone who can explain this? Again, same hand.
Exit is the seventh stage of our life in which the man shows his second childness and is near oblivion. He is without teeth, eyes, taste, and everything. The entrance is the first stage of our life in which we are a newborn, newling and puking in the nurse arms, and we are fully dependent.
Okay, this is also correct. Means when we take birth, first stage, that is infant, and when we exit, that is after our last stage. Yes, Arman.
Entrance represents taking birth of a human being. He assumes different roles during the lifetime. Exit indicates death of the person.
Correct. Okay, this is Avni's answer. On this stage, we make entrances when we are born, and then every human plays 7 different roles on this stage. That is the world. After her work is done, we make our exits from stage. That means our life comes to an end. Yes, Yashika has written exit means death, and entrance means birth of ours. It means as in the play some show the exit and okay entrance of the characters or actors. You can compare like this also. Next is small word means what? Jasmine, what do you want to say? Next is name the figure of speech used in these lines, above lines. Figure of speech means poetic device. Okay. Figure of speech means poetic device. Which? Okay, Anjani, correct answer.
Metaphor.
Sure? Why not simile?
Metaphor.
Are you sure it is metaphor? And if you are sure, then why? Yes, you are saying metaphor. I agree. Why? What is the difference between metaphor and simile? See, in metaphor, direct comparison is made without the usage of that word like or as. Okay. And in simile, we use like and as to make comparisons. Got it? So it is metaphor. Last scene of all that ends this strange eventful history is second childishness and mere oblivion. Which scene is being spoken about here? Which scene is being correct, Aranya? Yes, yes. Last stage when, okay, you can say second childhood in which, yes, in the person is fully dependent. This is the last stage. Next is how is the last act like second childhood? This is simple. Second childhood. Janvi?
The last act like second childhood is the similar act like when the person is second when the person is in his second childness, which man become weak and dependent as a child with no taste,
Yes, so it is because the person is completely dependent on others. This is Avni's answer. Okay, and without teeth, without eyes. Okay, without eyes also, yes, without taste, hearing power, and everything. You can include everything. So yes, forgets everything. And main is that the person is dependent on others like an infant. What are the characteristics of this stage? Loudly, loudly.
The characteristics of this stage are: there is a very old man with second childishness, without teeth, eyes, taste, in fact, without everything.
Okay. Loudly. He is unaware of what is happening around him. Okay. Anything else? Weak and dependent. Characteristics first, that weak and dependent, like an infant. Second, with starts forgetting about. Okay. And third is without teeth, taste, and then yes, complete yes, don't know what is happening around him. Loss of memory. Forgetting, we have already mentioned, na, forgetting. So don't write in points 1, 2, 3, 4 in a paragraph. Okay, you can start like it is just like the second childhood. The person starts behaving like a child. The person is or the man is totally dependent on or becomes dependent on upon others just like a child. Got it? Yes, next is think and answer. Which stage do you think is the happiest? This is, I think, totally up to you. Which stage do you think is the happiest? Again, same. Okay, we'll start with Bani. Loudly.
I think the second stage in which child go to school is as in the school there are a lot of things to do and new friends make and in this stage the child can fulfill all his dreams like playing and all.
Okay. Okay, wait a second. It is, I think, Akshima answer. I'm not able to read full name. The happiest stage, according to her, is the first stage, that is infant. In this stage, we don't go to school. We haven't had any responsibility. Then our parents take care of us and love us. The saddest stage we'll discuss later. What, according to you, is the happiest?
In my opinion, the happiest stage is that of a lover. In this stage, the person is at the top of the world. He thinks of his mistress all the time and misses him desperately.
Her.
He even composes poems for her. At this stage, he is completely lost. The world is very beautiful for him.
That is also correct. Yes, what according to you is the happiest? Okay. Hmm. Yes. See this, I think for happiest stage, the answers can vary. But for the saddest stage, I think answer is going to be the last stage when the person is totally dependent and then loss of, yes, teeth, eyes, memory, taste, everything. So, and after that, death. So, I think last stage is the saddest, but for the happiest, it is totally up to you. What according to you is the happiest stage? You have given your answer, na?
I'm saddest.
Saddest is the last stage. Okay? But I don't think that is the happiest stage in any way because you are ready to take fights. So whenever fights are there, so you have tensions. That now we have to. Yes. So I think maybe from first 3 stages. Out of first 3 stages, you can choose any. When tensions are less. Infant, no tensions at all. Parents are taking care. Second, yes, only you are not willing to go to school. But yes, otherwise, if we see that childhood is the best phase, and then saddest part is the seventh stage. Is it okay? Now, if you have any doubt. Okay, Paramjeet's answer, according to me, all ages are equally happy as we have right to enjoy our whole life. Okay, yes, that is also correct. But here you have to write the happiest and the saddest stage. Okay, you can end your answer with this. Okay, Paramjeet. I think this is Punya's answer. I am not able to read. I think that the happiest stage is of childhood, in which we have a playing days with our friends. Yes, and also we can get sorry for our, okay. So yes. Yes, Yashika, just wait. Seven minutes.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I have ma'am doubt in ma'am this line, ma'am, when there is ma'am that ma'am seeking the bubble reputation, ma'am, even in the cannon mouth, and then ma'am justice, ma'am, in this line.
What is the problem here? The soldier is, the man is ready to take fights. Okay, the man is ready
Ma'am,
to take man is ready to take fights and risk his life just for temporary reputation. He's not at all worried about his life. Okay, and he is ready to sacrifice his life for the reputation and fame. Is it okay? Okay, Yashika? Okay. I don't know whose answer is this. I'm only able to read PRA. I think it is Prabal. I think saddest is second childhood because the person is totally independent. It is dependent. His teeth, okay, starts falling down. He is unaware what is happening around. Yes. Eyes become weak. Yes. I have read your answer, Prabal. Make changes. Not independent. Totally dependent. Okay. Now, yes. Fifth stage of justice, judge. When the person is able to understand the difference between right and wrong. Then full of wise proverbs, wise sayings. Conversation is full of wise things. You can say wise examples. Just talk, if we talk about parents, still they are not in their middle age, but still they have experience, and whenever they give you advice, that is full of they guide you. Okay, yes, that's it. So I think now I can ask you the questions. Yes. Because you are okay and you don't have any doubt. A? That is theme. What is the theme? Stages of our lives. Okay, what is the theme of this poem? Prabal in sixth stage. Okay, who will explain the sixth stage? Sixth stage. Okay. Prabal, listen carefully. Start.
The sixth stage is that stage when the old age begins with body turning loose.
Okay. Yes. You can say starting of the old age. Sixth stage is the starting of the old age when the person's size, you can say, change. He becomes thin, lean. Yes. Doesn't fit in his clothes properly, and then starts forgetting the things, and manly voice changes to, yes, childlike voice. Is it okay? So anything else? If nothing, who is the poet of this poem? William Shakespeare. Sure? Okay. What about the theme? Theme. Stages of life. That's it. Okay, so question comes for 4 marks. Write the theme of this poem. You will write stages of life and you will get 0.5. Yes.
The theme of this poem is phases of life. In this, the life is full of different phases. We are like an actor. We perform all our tasks, and at the end, our life ends when our all tasks are completed.
Yes. So it is, you can say the theme is this world is like a stage and we are just actors. We come and play our role and then make our exit. Is it okay? Means every human being has been assigned a role and that role. हाँ जी नहीं. Okay. Yes, yes, Anjani. This poem is about the cycle of human life. This is also correct. Cycle of human life, right? The poet has divided our life into various stages. How many stages? How many phases? 7 stages or 7 phases. Okay, we will discuss theme in detail. But right now I want to ask Anant, who is very active. Anant. Yes, you have to do question answers in pair. Exercise A1 and exercise A3 is compulsory. And exercise A2, your choice. But don't blame me when the question comes for 4 marks after combining 2 to 3 questions of exercise A2. Is it okay? Because this entrance and exit, this question is very, very important. Okay. And then you maybe I can ask you to explain any stage. Okay. So yes, Anant, what do you think? Okay, which stage is the boring stage? Last stage is boring? Why? You get, right now you don't get tired? Retired. Okay, that is not the last stage. You retire in your 6th stage. In your 6th stage. Jagjot Singh, I think he is in 7th, C or D? D. Jagjot Singh.